Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your Apple Watch Series 7 supports ECG and is updated to the latest Watch OS. Also update your iPhone to the latest iOS version before proceeding. Open the Health app on your iPhone and tap Browse, then Cardio. Choose the ECG option and follow prompts to begin setup. Enter personal details like birth date and any heart conditions when prompted. Agree to the terms and allow permissions for health data sharing. Keep your iPhone nearby for pairing and data transfer during setup. Wear the Apple Watch snugly on your wrist with sensor side against skin. Remove excess sweat or lotion and dry your wrist completely before testing. Sit comfortably and rest your arm on a table to minimize movement. Open the ECG app on the watch and keep your arm relaxed during recording. Lightly touch the digital crown with the opposite finger and do not press hard. Hold position for 30 seconds while the watch records a single lead ECG trace. Do not talk or move during the measurement to avoid noise in the recording. After 30 seconds, the watch will analyze the recording and display a classification result. Typical classifications include sinus rhythm, atrial fibrillation, or inconclusive on the screen. Tap Save to store the ECG waveform directly in the Health app on your iPhone. To share, export a PDF file from the Health app and send it to your clinician. If you feel chest pain, fainting, or rapid heartbeats, contact emergency services immediately. Review repeated abnormal results with your physician for medical evaluation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.